Hi students, today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions from chapter 1, Nature and Significance of Management. If you feel like that you have to first solve this MCQs by yourself and then you want to look at the answers, so for your convenience, in the description box of this video, I have provided the link of MCQs. You can just go to it, you can click on the link, you can solve the MCQs and save the paper. And then afterwards, you can look at this video for the correct answers. Now let us look at the MCQs. So the first MCQs is successful organizations do not achieve goals by chance but by following a deliberate process known as, and 4 options are given to you. Now you have to always keep in mind whenever you are solving the MCQ that there are 2 points. Number 1, you should try and find out the keyword from the question so that it becomes easy for you to identify the answer. And number 2, that you have to evaluate all the 4 options so that you can be sure that which one is the correct answer. So here in the question it is said that successful organizations, so they do not achieve the goals by chance but by a particular process. Now in the 4 options you can see that particular MCQ or the particular process is only one, and that is management. So here the correct answer will be management. Moving on to number 2. In the number 2 MCQ, management contains a series of interrelated functions that include 4 options are given to you. Now we very well know that the 4 functions or that the functions of management are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. So here the answer will be D, that is all of the above. Now you can notice that along with the correct answer, I have also given the explanation of the answer, because in the examination, to be on the safer side, if along with the correct answer you write the reason for the correct answer, then it gives a good impression on the examiner. Number 3, people in the organization carry out the diverse or different tasks with the aim to achieve. 4 options are given, and we very well know that though people in the organization work in different departments and have different skills and work differently, but their ultimate goal is one, that is the organizational objective, and hence here the answer will be B, that is common objective. Now 4, efficiency is concerned with. We very well know efficiency means optimum utilization of resources, and so here the correct answer will be B, that is doing the things right, because only then we can make the optimum utilization of resources. Number 5, effectiveness relates to. 4 options are given. We know that effectiveness means doing the end activity correctly, and hence here the correct answer will be D, all of the above. 6, management is said to be poor. If it is, then we very well know management has to be both effective and efficient. If any one factor is missing, then it is said to be poor. Hence the correct answer will be C. Number 7, that is Tarang Enterprises Limited is planning to increase its sale by 30% in the next quarter. Identify the feature of management highlighted here. Now here the keywords are increasing the sale by 30%, and we know that this is the objective of Tarang Enterprise. Hence the answer will be B, that is management is a goal oriented process, because here it wants to achieve a particular objective. 8, management is equally important to run political organization as well as economic organization. Which feature is highlighted here? So here the keywords are that management is used in political as well as economic organization, and we know that management is present everywhere. So here the correct answer will be C, that management is pervasive and it is used in all types of organization. Ninth, management translates the works to be carried out in terms of goals to be achieved and assign the means to achieve it. Now here the keywords are that management is translating the work into goals and then try to achieve those goals. So here the focus is only on work, and hence the correct answer will be A, that is management, though it is multi-dimensional, but here the focus is on work, and hence the answer is A, management of work. 10th, keeping in view the changes in the consumer demand and preferences, Tastemaker Bakery has reduced the sugar and fat content in its products. This approach shows that management is. Now here the question is that here a particular bakery is making changes in its process due to demand and preferences of the consumer. So here the correct answer will be C, dynamic function, because we know that management is ever changing and it has to keep on changing to keep up with the demand and preferences of the consumers. 11th, management is considered to be an art because, now management is an art because different people put up their skills in different manners, though the objective is common, but they have different skills and put up in different manner. So here the correct answer will be C, that different principles of management are brought into effect but differently by different managers. Number 12, which of the following is not an organizational objective of management? Now if we evaluate the options, we know that number A, definitely to cover the cost is an objective. Number B, to earn the sufficient profit is an objective. Number C, increase the prospects is an objective. But number 4, that is free education to employees, maybe management can give it, but that is not an organizational objective. So here the answer will be D. 13th, which of the following designation is not related to middle level management? Now middle level management mainly consists of the departmental managers. So here the post which is not related to middle level management is C, that is Chief Operating Officer, because it is related to top level management. 14th, which of the following is a function of top level management? Now we know that top level management is mainly concerned with the overall work. Now here if you evaluate the option, so you will come to know that the correct answer will be C, that top level management is taking all the responsibility of the activities of business and its impact on the society, while for A and D lower level is concerned and for B middle level is concerned. Then 15th, identify the level which does not interact with the workforce directly. So the answer is very clear, it is D, middle level management, because they are indirectly contact with the workers, but the first line and the supervisory, the operational are in direct contact with the workers. 16th, the function of management related to grouping of activities to be carried out into departments and creating the hierarchy is. The correct answer will be the option number B, that is organizing, because very well know that in organizing the activities are grouped and divided into departments, and accordingly the hierarchy of superior and subordinate is formed. Number 17, it is a force that binds all the functions of management. Now it is very simple, and we know that the answer is coordination, because coordination helps in coordinating and binding all the functions of management. 18th, that is coordination is considered to be the essence of management or essential for management. So here the 4 options are given, and if we evaluate the option, we know that coordination is a common thread which binds all the activities. Number B, it is compulsory for all the functions. Number C, it binds all the functions, and hence answer will be D, that is all of the above. 19th, identify the process that provides the requisite amount of quality, timing and sequence of efforts which ensures that planned objectives are achieved with minimum of conflict. Now here again we know that all this synchronization and all this sequence of efforts and that planned objectives are achieved with minimum conflict, all this work is done by coordination, and hence the answer will be C. Number 20, identify the feature of coordination being highlighted in the statement, and the statement is coordination is not a one-time function. It begins at planning and continues till controlling. Now here the clear keywords are given that the process starts with planning and continues till controlling, and hence the correct answer will be C, that coordination is a continuous process. I hope all these MCQs are clear to you, all these MCQs are correct for you, and slowly and gradually as you do the practice of MCQs, you will come to know how to solve the MCQs in examination. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel Tips and Tricks for more videos. Thank you.